The trackpad is pretty good. It's running Windows Precision Driver, Windows Precision Driver, Windows Precision Drivers, Windows Precision Drivers, Windows Precision Drivers.
I smell bull.
Precision Driver,
Okay,
Precision Driver, Windows
you're
Precision
right.
Drivers,
I'll do
Windows
it.
Precision
I'll do a
Drivers.
video. Hi there bros, my name is Pro and I'm making this video out of my free own will. Today I'm gonna show you how to turn your old touchpad into a modern Windows Precision Driver. Also don't forget for this tutorial to thank SpaceSaver 2000-1. He shared the steps on Reddit and I will leave the link in the description. Also, if you don't have a ELAN driver but maybe a Synaptics or a Alps driver, you can give it a try. Even if it breaks something, you can just uninstall the driver, restart your PC, and it will install your old touchpad driver again. So let's just get into it. Now here we are at the desktop. If you want to know the difference between a Windows Precision Driver and your old driver, when I try to scroll at all apps, you see that it doesn't scroll at all. Or when I go at settings and check for touchpad settings, you can see that the page is empty. Now, I've provided the links in the description of these threads. My current laptop has a ELAN touchpad. If you have a Synaptics touchpad, there's another thread. I will leave the link in the description, of course. Now, first of all, you need to download this. At this page, download the first one. After downloading the file, at desktop, I want you to launch it. Do the usual next. I sell my soul, next. And here, click on extract only, next. This is the directory where it will be extracted. I want you to copy it. And then extract. After the extraction is finished, finish. And then, at the start, search for Device Manager. Open it. There, find mice and other pointing devices, expand it. And as you can see here, it's my touchpad. Right-click it, Properties. Go to Driver, and click on Update Driver. There, click on Browse my computer for drivers, and then let me pick from a list of drivers. There, click on Have Disk, and paste the directory, Browse, and then click the inf file. Usually it's the first one. Okay. As you can see, it shows the driver. Click on Next. It will give you a warning. Don't worry, just click on Yes. Now the driver has been installed. Click on Close. Click on Close again. And it will ask to restart your computer. Do that. Well, after the restarting, there will be two types of laptops. In my case, it was installed immediately. As you can see, when I scroll, it bounces. The second type of laptop, in this case, your touchpad is probably not working. Take your mouse, connect it to your laptop, and then go again to Search, Device Manager, open it, click on View, Show Hidden Devices. There at Mice, your touchpad will probably be hidden. You have to right-click it, go to Properties, Driver, Update Driver, browse my computer for drivers. Here paste the directory where you extracted the driver before. Click on Next, and it will install your driver. In this case, it didn't install it because it's already installed. Close it, close, and then restart your PC again. So now that I have installed the Windows Precision Driver, I can check on Settings, Touchpad Settings, and the page is full now. You have settings for every gesture. Well, now, have fun personalizing all the settings. You can change everything. And enjoy your free upgrade to a new touchpad. That feels nice. Well, I hope this tutorial helped you. If it did, please leave a like. If you have any questions, comment below. And subscribe to become a pro. Bye!